We are HD. Eek. You guys, I got a new camera and it's showing everything, all the things. I did not see all of the white hairs before. I see them now. Great, awesome. Wow, there's a helicopter ruining my life. You hear it? Cool, airplane. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are finally doing the November Boxycharm. I realize it's not November anymore. It was late. It was late. Okay, so in today's video, we're doing the November Boxycharm Battle. We're comparing the premium box to the regular offering. Okay, yes, it's not November anymore, but I get premium and regular. The premium box arrived on time and I got a shipping notification and tracking information for the regular box. I was tracking it, it was moving, and then all of a sudden it stopped for about a week. So I contacted FedEx. They checked on it and they said, oh, no, it's lost. Sorry, you're gonna have to file a claim. Great. Awesome. So I contacted Boxycharm and they were actually really cool about it, and they dispatched a replacement box within, I want to say, the same day or maybe next day, but the replacement box arrived very quickly after that, which got me thinking, why do I have to wait so long for these boxes? My Boxycharms don't even arrive until like halfway through the month. Be nicer to have them a little earlier, but whatever. We're finally doing it. Here we go. So since the premium box is the one that arrived first, let's start there. This is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream Peptide 3 Echinacea Reishi Extract that retails for $125. Oh, it's hot! It's hot! It's burning my hands! So this is a night cream with all kinds of fancy ingredients to help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Well, I haven't been using this long enough to be able to tell you if it's doing anything. It's nice, it's a night cream, it's moisturizing, it feels good, there's no weird smell or anything, so time will tell on this. This is the second product I've gotten from Grown Alchemist and it's promising. Okay, for $125, would I repurchase this? Hell no. 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 Okay, next. This is really cool. This is from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder that retails for $39. This is a weightless setting powder with a built-in powderizer to grind the finest, freshest powder. This is actually really cool. First of all, the packaging is adorable. It looks like a lens cap. Love that. I was like trying so hard to like unscrew it. Doesn't unscrew. It's not a lens cap. Just pops open. So you can see inside there is like some grating, right? But what you do, ooh! So you just turn this little ring, but it shaves off a little portion of powder so it's totally fresh. You're not gonna get hard pan. It's such a cool idea. And then you just take your brush or sponge, swirl it around in there, buff it onto the skin. I really like it. I think the price point is really good, $39. Smashbox powders have always worked well for me, so I like it. Next, this is by Pure. Whoa, you can barely see that. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette in the color Fair Light. This retails for $32. Let me open it up for you. There you go. You can see inside you're getting blushes, highlighters, contour, and a translucent powder. I have another contour and highlight palette from Pure and I really, really like it a lot. I think their quality is really nice, especially for powders. I just don't need this. I really don't. I feel like I already have these colors. I have a few of these kinds of palettes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in the package that it arrived in and rehome it and or give it away. I just can't bring myself to use it knowing that I have like literally like 3 or 4 of something exactly the same as this. So I'm just gonna pass it on, but it's good. I mean, and for this price point, $32, that's good. I would have paid for this if I needed it. All right, next, this is the Cosmedix skincare brush set. This set retails for $25. Inside, you're getting a cleansing brush and a silicone mask applicator. This is another thing that I'm not gonna bother opening because I already have this by a different brand, but I do love these silicone mask applicators. It's something that you think, oh, I don't need that, I can just use my fingers. But when you use your fingers, then it ends up just getting in between your fingers, running down your hands, getting all over the place. When you use these little applicators. It goes exactly where you want it to go. This one has little like silicone nibs on it. There's like a texture. So it's like a makeup brush, but it's to use with your cleanser. And then this has little silicone nibs on both sides of the applicator. Love that. So you would use these, you know, with your cleansers and face masks at night just to help get a really even application. They're just like the best use of the product with these. Would I have bought these? Yeah, because I have bought these. So next, now we have a single eyeshadow. When is the last time anybody has seen a single eyeshadow, for crying out loud? This is from Dose of Colors. Love Dose of Colors. This is a single eyeshadow from the Block Party collection. This color is called I Need Space. So it is like a black metallic. It just really looks like, you know, like outer space, like the night sky, right? This retails for $20. Let me just show you really quickly. This is the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, which you know I love. I mean, look at it. This is the color Game Over, and then this is I Need Space. They look very similar. This one might have a little bit more of a blue shift in the sparkle, but I'm not gonna know unless I swatch them, and I'm not gonna swatch this because look how close it is to a color that I already have. And I love Dose of Colors eyeshadow formula, so I'm very hopeful that wherever this lands, it's gonna look gorgeous. And you can make really beautiful, glamorous, black smoky eyes. Love, love, love. Is that 3 items in a row that I'm not keeping? Sure is. Okay, we got one more thing in the box, and it is a lip liner duo. This is the lip liner duo from Realher. These retail for $25 for the 2 in the 2 colors that we get. And I'll swatch for you, and you know how much I love swatching. This is the first color, deep berry tone, and this one is called Be Yourself. And this other color is the one that I have on today, like a dusty mauve brown. It's just me all day, and this is called I Am Confident. What is going on with these helicopters? Go away. Okay, so I'm gonna hang on to these 2 lip liners because, you know, this nice brown tone is a classic, and I don't know that I have anything that's this berry tone. It went on very smooth, soft, beautiful color, beautiful payoff, no skipping. It's not too dry, but it's not too greasy, you know what I mean? It's a great value, and for 25 bucks, I'm into it. So the total retail value of the premium box is $266, even considering that there are 3 items in here that I will not be keeping because I already have them. It seems stupid, they're just gonna sit in the drawer. So what I'll do is I'll rehome them, or maybe I can set these aside for a giveaway, which I have not done in a while. What's wrong with me? Why am I not doing a giveaway? Maybe I should do a giveaway. Okay, so that's a great value. The stuff inside is really nice. There really aren't any duds in here, so let's compare it to the regular box. Okay, again, the theme for the regular box is Harvest. I think that's just the theme for the month across all boxes. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. I was shocked to see this in the box. You ready for this? Natasha Denona. This is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. This retails for $48. So this palette, this is 5 pans. Obviously you can count, but you're getting 4 mattes and 1 shimmer shade. So this is described as Natasha's everyday warm toned eye pigments. I've only ever used Natasha Denona eyeshadows one other time, but I have to admit, I wasn't blown away. Am I the only one? It's not like they're bad, and it's not like the colors aren't pretty. They are pretty, and I think that this is a very usable essentials. You know, I used it today. What I did was first I went all over with this first shade Aya all over just to kind of make sure that my concealer wasn't going to move around. Then I used Amhara, this like mauve pink, kind of all in the crease and underneath. And then I used Thorn to deepen the outer corner. And then I went with a finger on top. The color is called Shine. It's the shiny shade. I didn't find these to be super duper blendable. I thought they were a little patchy, to be honest. I don't know if this is a different formula from her other eyeshadow palettes that have more colors. I don't know. I didn't love it. If you are Natasha Denona stan, I understand, and I have a coupon. Yeah, 25% off. So this coupon will be listed down in the description box along with all of the items that I'm talking about today, of course, as always. This is the Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum that retails for $62. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom. This is meant to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthy looking. I really like it. It reminds me a lot of snail mucin. The texture of it, it's very kind of slimy. There's no fragrance. I hate the dropper. So instead of it being like a squeezy dropper, you press down in it. it sucks it up, but look, it doesn't fill all the way up. I used this after cleansing skin today. My skin drank it up. It felt really good. I know I just described it as kind of slimy, but it's not like in a gross kind of a way. You know, it just feels like your skin is gonna drink it up, and I like it. So anything that promises that it's gonna help plump and hydrate my skin, I'm here for it. Next up, this is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel that retails for $24. This is in the color number 3. I can't use this color because it's too dark for my brows. I have used this product before. It's really nice. You know, it's a brow gel with a little bit of tint in it, and the little spoolie at the end is like tiny micro, so you can really get in your brows and get some definition, get your brows looking nice and fluffy. So I like this. I'm just gonna have to pass it on because it's not the right color for me, but would I repurchase? Yeah, and I have a few of them in the drawer. And next, this is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask that retails for $45. I have really been enjoying this a lot. Pumpkin is an ingredient that's really good. It's got some enzyme properties in it that are really nourishing for your skin. Going into the winter months with the drier air, especially with like forced heat and all that, my skin gets real mad in the winter time, so I have to really pay attention. So you put it on your skin, you know, you could use your little silicone brush or your fingers, you let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, gently massage it in circular motions to really get the maximum benefit. And the thing that's cool about this, if you have, for example, the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, it's the same fragrance, it's super pumpkin-y, and it feels like that really super fine sandy grit. Once you are massaging it, the grittiness kind of goes away. It's hard to describe, but the grittiness goes away and it just feels almost like lotiony. I don't know how the wizardry works, but I've really been enjoying it. I'm really excited to see how it helps my skin moving into the dry winter months and keeps it, you know, looking fresh and smooth. And last up, this is by Jekka Black. It's the Liquid Corrector 2.0 that retails for $15. So what this is, it's a color corrector. Kind of almost looks like a lip balm. Put a ton of it on the back of my hand. I did not need to show you this much, but it's almost the same color as the cap. It's pink. So what this is really meant for is to help color correct dark circles. So unless you have really dark under eye circles or maybe some hyperpigmentation that's really dark, this is probably going to be too deep for you as a pale skin goblin. See how peachy that is? So I definitely tried it. I guess I just don't have super dark under eye circles, or not one that would be helped by this deep of a peach. I would need something that's a little bit more pinky. If you do have dark under eye circles and you have medium to, you know, plus skin complexion, this is gonna probably work really well for you. So that being said, the total retail price of the regular box for November is $194. Now, as a recap, I didn't love, this is like the star product, I would say. It's not the most expensive product, but this is the one that's like, ooh, fancy, Natasha Denona. I didn't love the performance, and maybe I just need to try a little harder. Maybe use an eyeshadow primer or an eyeshadow base. Maybe it's user error. I don't really know. Which box is the better box this month? Okay, so, man, I really love that pumpkin mask and that serum, but I think the premium box is gonna win this month. So everything in the premium box, I really enjoy all these products. I know that I said that I'm not gonna keep some of them, but it's only because I already have them, meaning I already enjoy them. So I think the premium box wins! So that being said, I have a few items that I think it's time. I think it's time to give them away, to rehome them to someone who would love them. So let's have a giveaway, shall we? The holidays are coming up. Even if you win the box and you don't like any of the stuff inside, you can slip it into a Christmas stocking, you can put it in a little gift bag, and you can re-gift it. You're welcome. To enter the giveaway, just leave a comment on this video. That's all. Okay, so you are seeing this video on Thursday, December 3rd. I will close the entries for the giveaway at about noon on December 10th. So this is gonna run for about a week. So the prize will include these things that aren't right for me, but somebody else might really love, and some other items that I've been saving throughout the months. Check my Instagram stories because I will gather all the items and post it there so you can see what is up for grabs. So good luck to you. So that is it for last month's BoxyCharm. Sorry it's late, but it's not my fault. but here it is anyways. Again, everything that I talked about in today's video will be listed down in the description box with links and coupon codes if I have them. I'll also list some of the other makeup items on my face that maybe I didn't talk about. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then let me know with a thumbs up, with a comment, like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. I upload new videos here on YouTube every week, and you can follow me on most of the other socials. That is it for now. I will catch you next time in the next video. Bye! It is the holiday season. Regift. Graham store. Warm toned eye pigments. Focus. Focus. Eye pigments. Hecka? Jekka. Pigment. Not pigment. That's not a word. Come on. Stop tracking my face. There's somebody having a dance party at the laundromat next door. Not focusing. Great. We love listening to whatever it is you're listening to in your car. Ugh.